Gojima.
Ay, nasa siya.
Ala, Tess, doon ka daw sa ano? Tess, katabi ka daw ni sir.
Kasi na sir.
Biglaan si daw. Nabigla si sir. Okay na to.
Bali, si Ate Tess, before they are just ahead on us almost 3 months. In Misera, in Linens, for almost 19 years. Many of us here, maybe some are 10 years or less than 10 years. Before, I remember all are very beautiful, sir. Before 19 years.
Still.
No white hair. Very young. Many. Very beautiful before. But after, still beautiful, sir. So, in behalf of PES, we are very, aside okay, but also the management. We are thankful also for all the contribution in the leaders during PASA, then Hayabusa, and then Heco before many models for free as technician and then ship in charge. Me, I salute to Tess contribution in event. So, in the side of printing, Tess will say goodbye, but not farewell. Maybe we can still assist if need. For example, new product will come, very hard to think. Ate Tess can still assist in details, and that is very welcome to us. So, Marites Garote, don't cry. We will eat pa. After eating, then cry na sir, diba? So, in my side, as management, good luck on your decision. Of course, in us, family is first. If the family needs, of course, we need to attend. Me, my family, no attend, sir.
Hindi na.
Meaning, so good luck. Again, thank you very much for your contribution in event. No. So, on the side of printing, even though Tess is not present, but tomorrow present. Maybe on the upcoming days, just last week, depend. No. So that's all set for my side. Thank you very much.